Okay, it's time for our math lesson. In this lesson, we're going to be building a descending number stairs at a concrete and pictorial level. Let me explain that to you. That is just, we are going to build stairs and we're going to be using pictures and items to do so. You should have brought your 3 pieces of paper that we're going to use, your bear, and those squares that you used last time to build your stairs. Okay, we're gonna start with the one more chant. Let's learn a new chant. So I'm gonna be side A and you're gonna be side B. So I'm gonna say 1 and you're gonna say 1 more is, and I'm gonna say 2. Oh, let's do this. I'll do it one way and then we'll do it the other way. So I say 1 and you say 1 more is, then I say 2. Now you're going to say 1 more is, and I say 3. You're going to say 1 more is, and I'm going to say 4. You're going to say 1 more is, and then I'm going to say 5. Let's do it the other way. This time you're going to say 1, and I'm going to say 1 more is. So 1 more is. Now you guys say 2, and I'm going to say 1 more is, 3, 1 more is, 4, 1 more is, 5. All right, so this is where we have you have your little scraps of paper that we're going to make little snowballs. So I just have 3 little bitty pieces of paper. Okay, and all we're going to do is we're going to toss and count. So I'm going to tell you, we're going to start with the first one. Let me aim this down so you can see what I'm doing. So if I say, okay, let's throw a snowball down, we're just going to do that. How many have you thrown? 1. So let's do 1 more. How many have you thrown now? 1, 2, 2. Okay, let's throw the last one. How many have you thrown now? You can't see mine. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to look at a little book. It is a counting book and it has some interesting pictures in it. Okay, so here's the first page and it just has this number, which is what? 0. I see 0 of a lot of stuff because there's not really anything on this page. Okay, let's look at this one. This number is what? 1. What is some examples of one thing that you see on the page? There's just one of. Okay, let's go to the next page. On this page, I see the number 2. So look closely at the page. What do you see 2 of in the picture? Okay. On this page, I see this number. What number is that? 3. What do you see 3 of in the picture? On this page, I have what number is that? This is kind of a fancy 4. What do you see 4 of in the picture? Okay, and then on this page, I see the number 5. What do you see 5 of on this picture? Okay, let me share my screen. And on this part, we're going to need our little squares that we used for stairs. Oops. Okay, so this time we are going to use our squares. It says you could use a Lego person, but we're just going to use our bear again. And what we're going to do is we're going to start because our bear is going to be in like a tower, kind of like this Lego King is in a tower. So we're going to start with, hold on, let me show you mine. We're going to start with the biggest number of squares, which is the number 5. So get your squares and let's build a 5 tower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so a 5 one, and you're going to put yours on top. And Okay. And then actually I'm going to borrow this so I can make sure I'm doing it in the right direction. So for you, it needs to be like this. Okay. And then we want the bear to be able to go down because the bear is way up here in the tower. So what did we have? What's the next? If I take one away, what's one less than 5? It should be 4. So let's put out 1, 2, 3. It's hard to see my white ones. And 4. So I can bring my bear down, but my bear's still not all the way down. What's the next smallest number? If I have 1 less than 4, so 4, and I have 1 less, what do I have now? 3. Uh-oh. I have a square problem. Hold on a second. We're doing 3 with the blue. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. All right. My bear's still not all the way down. So what's 1 less than 3? 2. So that's the pink ones. 1, 2. All right. And then what's 1 less than 2? 1. So now my bear has came all the way down. Let's touch and count these. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last week, our stairs showed 1 more. What did we show with our stairs today? We showed 1 less. Okay, so when our friend started, our bear friend started going down the stairs, where did bear start? At what number? At number 5. And where did bear stop? Number 1. What did we do to make it smaller each time? We just had to take 1 away each time, 1 less each time. Okay, that's our math lesson today about making stairs and making the number descending or going down.